Hello, friends. The title of this book is Falling Leaves 1, 2, 3, an autumn counting book. Autumn is a word that gets used in the same way that we say fall. So autumn and fall are the same season. It comes right after summer and right before winter. So, the fall season brings many fun things to count. Let's count them. One harvest moon shines in the fall. It is round and orange. Two scarecrows stand in a field. They scare away the birds. 3 leaves fall to the ground. Leaves change colors and fall from the trees in the fall. 4 gourds are picked from the field. They come in many fun shapes and colors. Gourds. 5 apples grow on a tree. They are ready to pick in the fall. 6 mini apple pies cool. We used the apples we picked to bake them. 7 geese fly south. It is warmer in the south. 8 squirrels collect nuts. They will eat their nuts during the winter. 9 jack-o'-lanterns shine at night. We light them on Halloween. I like those jack-o'-lanterns. 10 caramel apples dipped in caramel. What's your favorite thing to count in the fall? The geese, the squirrels, the leaves, apples. There's lots of fun things that we can count in the fall. I hope you enjoyed that book, and maybe you could go back and read it again. The end. Let's see what the quiz says. Okay. Falling Leaves quiz. What do scarecrows do? Do they help the crops grow, decorate the field, or scare away the birds? What do scarecrows do? They scare away the birds. Okay, let's see what the next question is. When are apples ready to be picked? In the winter, the summer, or the fall? When are the apples ready? Do you remember what they said in the book? It was in the fall. In the fall is when the apples are ready to be picked. Yep. What direction do geese fly to get warm? Where do they go? Let's see. I think they go south. In the winter, they go south to get warm. And what do squirrels do with nuts in the fall? Do they eat them, collect them for winter, or play with them? You might say they eat them, but I think that the right answer on this question is they collect them for winter. And why do the leaves fall off the trees? I don't think they... Oh, I read that question wrong. It says, what do leaves do in the fall? And they fall off the trees. That's what they do. That was silly, wasn't it? Look at that. We got all the questions right. Good job, friends.